Do you own a drone and are currently thinking about taking a plane trip and bringing the drone along? Well, there are some rules you need to know about flying with drones, so stay tuned. I'm David Haig from Australian Video Camera and Creative Content. As you probably know, drones use lithium batteries. Due to the risk of fire, usually through mishandling, airlines are, understandably, a bit wary of them. Because of this, if you intend to fly with your drone, there are some things you need to know. From my research, all the major airlines require you to pack your drone with your luggage, not the carry-on, the stuff that goes in the hold. In regard to batteries though, some requirements vary, but as an average across the board, a drone must not have any batteries inserted or be packed with any batteries, and all batteries must be sealed in clear Ziploc bags, plus have the battery terminals covered with insulation tape. Most airlines also have a limit on the quantity of batteries you can carry too. For example, at this time, QANTAS allows you up to 20 batteries as long as they are rated less than 100 watt hours. Virgin has a similar ruling that the maximum number of batteries is 15. For more powerful batteries, the quantity is much less in both cases. The majority of airlines have their rules clearly detailed on their websites, so best double check before you fly. And if you're flying overseas, do understand some countries have very strict rules about drone flying, with some banning it altogether. Again, check thoroughly before you go. I hope this little video has been of some use to you, so if you feel like giving it a like, I'd really appreciate it. And to keep up to date with later videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'm David Haig from Australian Video Camera and Creative Content. Thanks for watching, and safe and happy flying. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.